Today on Geek and Son, we check out a house that I had rented, and they trashed it. We learn why not to rent to certain groups of people. Stay tuned.
Welcome to my March 2nd, 2020. Where shall we begin? Garbage. 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 More garbage. Garbage. Garbage on top of the garbage. 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 Whole thing full of garbage. Wire garbage. Am I being a little dramatic? Yeah. Look at this. This is dumped on my lap that I gotta clean. Old TV, old trailer. Backyard. Garbage. I don't even know what that is. Old bicycle. Mattresses. Some kind of a saw. There's my stove. That's nice. So nicer than leave. Some tent thing. Garbage, 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 garbage everywhere. Even in the garbage, there's garbage. Broken door handle, number 1. Beautiful. Looks like it's got something jammed in there. And of course the springs are taken off. Hello? My house? Fridge gone. Garbage. Old speakers. Stuff on the walls. Where's the broken tile? Broken tile. A free microwave. We're so lucky. Stove. Hey, they took all their food, man. It's great. Garbage. Shelves. Gigantic crack. Wow. Front door wide open. Garbage, 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 and more garbage. Zip tie, bungee cord. Weeds for years. Wires. Mailbox broken. We'll change that in a minute. Bed frames. Weird little body wedge. So much. I don't know how the furnishing works. Well, they left a shower head. Isn't that nice? Look at that. Just disgusting. Another gigantic broken tile. Right in the middle. How do you break a tile like that? Water damage. Dirty. Disgusting. Pigs. Next time somebody wants to rent your house, do a background check. Garbage. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Mattresses. Well, this room's not that bad. Thanks, guys. That's so nice of you. Battery's gone. Battery's gone. Things gone. Destroyed. Squeaky, which is not their fault. Burger King, that's nice. Little shelf. An old entertainment center of some kind. ruined blinds. Floor separating is not their fault. I mean, look at just the garbage everywhere. Did I mention garbage everywhere? Garbage. 80 degrees. So we got the furnace set at 80, that's nice. I think it wants me to change the filter. Why would you turn it up to 80? Garbage. 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 We do have hamburger buns, which is nice. And tape. It's not coming off. Disgusting garbage. There's some subs. That's good. Forget the broken tiles. Broken doors. Hi, truck. What kind of animals live like this? Broken, 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 broken. All these tiles just busted up. Cat. It smells like cats. And the toilet's running. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. The shower's growing. You mean they didn't fix the hole they promised they were gonna fix? I can't believe it. It's crazy town in here. She doesn't keep her word? More furniture. A gigantic hole in the carpet. I actually had some hope for this room because it looks like they used it for storage. Okay, another entertainment center, because you know you got to be entertained. This I should fix. So here's a nice little thing. That's nice. It's in better shape. They must have just left that open all the time. It's scraped. Not destroyed. Oh, hello, it's me. Well, it's so good to see you. How can somebody live like this? Disgusting pigs. This is all broken. More garbage? What do you know? Here's some kind of a shelf with some shoes. That's nice. The furnace has not been cleaned ever. I don't remember that sump pump. That's nice. Whatever. Okay. I don't know why they would turn up the heater to 100 degrees. Water heater on very hot. Let's turn that baby down. Okay. Combustibles right next to the water heater. Wow. Oh, look at that. 1/24/2008 and a smiley face. I did that. All right. Moving on to the laundry room, in case you weren't sure. Oh, that switch. I like that switch. Washer and dryer are gone. They have some makeshift kind of a 220 plus the gas and the dryer. They broke the tiles on purpose, did they? Well, that's all right. So that's one of the chocolate ones that we could have had. And there's two that go to the kitchen. They're not broken, it doesn't look like. We can fix it. So we can fix the kitchen. Is that a whole thing? Well, that's too bad. Look at a bunch of dirt bags. There's some fuses. I like this. It's not bad. Little Coke memorabilia thing. Now it appears to be a gas line and etc. All right. Looks like an ironing board. What do you mean there's garbage everywhere? More?
Wow, so surprised. My old kitchen cabinets I made. How could they do this much damage? It's just hard to believe, man. Garbage! There's some paint. Some tiles. Some shorts in case we need any. That's wonderful. I think I can make that work. I may leave that wire. It's got enough wire. All right. No battery. Like they not clean once. Turn this light off. All right, moving on. I turned the toilet off. Okay. Let's look inside the shower. Now that I remember it doing to me. I'm not surprised. How did I ever live in such a teeny little shower? It just smells. Feel happy you don't have smell-o-vision, because it smells so bad in here. I need a mask. Carpet need to be replaced. Carpet need to be replaced. Some kind of a drink on the wall. Who knows with these people? Carpet I did. Oh, smells like. That's nice. Pre-vacuum. Shelving. Some wire they ran for something. Huh. I don't think that's supposed to be like that. I had forgotten there was a door right here. This was the original door of the bathroom. Ready Geek sticker! I think there's a light back here. There's some kind of storage back there. Cable TV wire, looks like. They were very into their flat screen TVs. What's a wrapping paper? Installing Q coax for TiVo, 2007. And a new bed frame. All right. Garbage. Just garbage upon garbage upon garbage and more garbage. Okay. Well, that, ladies and gentlemen, has been my walkthrough. As I film more of this, as I repair all the damage they've done, I'll record more. So stay tuned.